Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Romine's Algebra 2 class. Today, I will be teaching you how to divide polynomials using long division. Say you have 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 4, and you want to divide it by 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. Well, do you remember how to use long division with integers? Let me remind you how to do it. Say you have 318 and you want to divide it by 15.
You would write 318 inside the box and 15 outside of the box. First off, you would see how many times 15 goes into 3, which is 0. So you leave that blank. And then you will see how many times 15 goes into 31, which is 2. And so you put that up there. 2 times 15 then is 30, and you will subtract that from the 31 that you first divided by, and then once you subtract that you get a 1, carry down the 8, and you get 18. After that, you'll see how many times 15 goes into 18, which is 1. So you put the 1 here, and then times 15 times 1, put that down here, and subtract, which is 3. Now you have nothing to bring down, and since 15 doesn't go into 3, as we established earlier, that is your remainder. So you put that over here, which reduces to 1/5.
Well, dividing polynomials is very similar to this process. Remember, we have 2x to the fourth plus x to the third minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 4, and we want to divide it by 2x squared minus 3x plus 5.
You put 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 4 inside the box, and put 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 outside the box. First off, you'll see how many times 2x squared goes into 2x to the fourth, and that is x squared. So you put that up there. Then you'll times 2x minus 3x plus 5 times x squared, and subtract that from what you have up here. So you do that, 2x squared times x squared is 2x to the fourth minus 3x cubed plus 5x squared. And you'll subtract that, and when you subtract that, it will reverse the signs of all of these. So when you do that, 2x to the fourth minus 2x to the fourth leaves you with nothing. X to the third minus a negative 3x cubed is the same thing as x cubed plus 3x cubed, which is 4x cubed. And you have 3x squared, negative 3x squared minus 5x squared, which is minus 8x squared. And just like any other problem, you will bring down this plus 6x. Alright, next, you'll see how many times 2x squared goes into 4x cubed. And that is 2x. So you'll put plus 2x times 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 times 2x. So you'll get 4x cubed minus 8x, no, I was right, 6, minus 6x squared plus 10x. And you'll subtract that. Once again, it will switch the signs. So 4x cubed minus 4x cubed is 0. Minus 8x squared plus 6x squared is a minus 2x squared. And 6x minus 10x is minus 4x. And you'll bring down this minus 4. So you'll have minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 4. Then you'll see how many times this 2x minus 3x plus 5 goes into this minus 2x squared minus 4x minus 4, which is minus 1. So you'll times 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 times a negative 1. So that'll be minus 2x squared plus 3x minus. Subtracting this, you get minus 2x squared plus 2x squared, which is 0, minus 4x minus 3x, which is a minus 7x, and minus 4 plus 5, which is a plus 1. And 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 does not go into minus 7x plus 1. So this is your remainder. Just like over here, with the remainder, you put your remainder over this number. And same thing here. So you'll put a minus for that minus 7x, and then put 7x plus 1 over 2x squared minus 3x plus 5. So that is your answer.